Alright, take a look at this question. We have to express this subtraction of these two fractions as a single fraction in its simplest form. Alright, so let's say you take a look at the two denominators. If you didn't practice much, probably what you could end up doing is that you multiply the second term by x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 2x plus 1, and the first term you multiply by x minus 1 over x minus 1. So should we do that for such a question? Now we realize that if we do so, what is the aim that you are supposed to get to? You are supposed to get the express this as a single fraction in simplest form. So if you do so, you realize that you might end up even expanding and simplifying it, and you end up with a cubic equation, where in this cubic equation you have a x cubed. Then you get confused. So rather than doing that, isn't it better if we go to the question, we look at the denominator, x squared minus 2x plus 1, we factorize it to x minus 1 squared, and then write the rest. You realize that, oh, since we already know that x minus 1 squared is equals to x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1, which means I can multiply the second term by x minus 1 over x minus 1, and I have my denominator as x minus 1 squared. I want to simplify the numerator, so rather take it step by step. I write down what I see at the numerator, and then next common mistake is that we could end up doing 2 minus x and then minus 1. Would that be okay? No. If we do the expansion, we realize that the sign has to change. Why? Because negative of this whole, the terms inside the bracket is we deal with a negative 1 multiplied by a negative 1, and we get a positive 1. So this one has to be plus 1, and then we have x minus 1 squared. Simplify it, we got 3 minus x over x minus 1 squared, and we got the answer.